Ladies and gentlemen, of course, you know how we do it at this point. So please give a resounding round of virtual applause for Mr. Vamsi Atluru. I can already see you. Thank you very much for joining, and please go ahead.
Hi, can everyone hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay, perfect. Hi, my name is Vamsi Atluru. Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here. This is my first actually African blockchain conference. I'm in New York currently, so it's awesome to see all of the people, not just the stakeholders, but everyone else that is actively trying to learn and become involved in the ecosystem. I can definitely say it's guaranteed if this is the best technology to get involved with, and not only to learn but to apply in real life use. And I've been working on implementing blockchain technology for the last 2 years for my startup, and that's all the way from the US. And in the last 2 years, it's expanded to India and all across several European nations. And actually, Nigeria is at the forefront of adopting these blockchain policies from a government level. And I think there's almost the future is endless. So I'm going to just speak a little bit about a specific use case and how that we use our blockchain technology in our wealth management, and that's called RWA, real world assets, and tokenization. So those are the two keywords I want everyone to kind of at least take away. Is one is RWA, which is real world assets, and then second is tokenization. Tokenization is the future of what I call being able to digitally transact it across the globe, and different investments and different real world assets. And what I mean by real world assets is taking, for example, a piece of land, a home, and agricultural farmland, and being able to tokenize that. And we really tokenize is a fancy word for just saying split it up into fractions. So just how like math class, like a pizza, for example, you have a pizza and you want to split it up into slices. That's really the concept of tokenization. You have a pizza, you split it up into slices, and you can offer everyone a slice of the pizza. So that's what we're aiming to do, and we're actually going to be actively tokenizing real world assets in Nigeria very soon, thanks to the collaboration with NABSA. Right now, we have almost $4 million of US dollars worth of assets in the US, and another $4 million of assets in India that we tokenized and offered to investors for various government like PPA projects and new ventures, such as residential development and commercial development for real estate. And we started with real estate. One is because it's the number one growing trend in the blockchain, but not only that, it's something that can bring a lot of value to developing countries such as Nigeria. So if you actually look in the global trends, there's a lot of activity coming into not only Nigeria, but a lot of Africa in terms of implementing blockchain solutions, whether that's agriculture and IoT, combining the use of AI and drones to increase the yield and actually increase democratize the playing field for everyone from small stakeholder farmers to big corporations. So that's just a little intro, and I'd love to be to share more info if anyone has any questions. But all in all, I really want everyone to take away the two main ones: is the RWA, which are real world assets, and tokenization, because those are the two trends that I think that everyone should focus on in terms of wealth management in the DeFi space. I know it's kind of late. It's already late night for you guys. Everyone has sat through a lot, so I won't take up too much time. But I just wanted to introduce myself, and if anyone has any questions, queries, concerns, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or anywhere else, and I'd love to point you in the right direction. But I'm very grateful for the collaboration, especially with Sir Kingsley, Mr. Charles John Lee, and the entire NABSA ecosystem, because they actually they made it so that it's very seamless for us to come and implement our solutions and work together with the Nigerian government and Nigerian stakeholders to really take this to the next level. So come 2025, our company, Aasthi Fund Management, will be actively investing into Nigeria and soonly expanding. So we would be taking this tokenization instead of actually kind of just saying the theoretical, we will be actually implementing our wealth management solutions in investing in Nigeria. And we've pledged up to $1 million US for the next year for 2025. So I really want to take the chance because this, of course, this is my first kind of ecosystem with kind of collaborating with Nigeria and the African, I guess, blockchain ecosystem. And I think there's a huge value. So I really, this is my first conference, obviously. So I looked forward to hosting or having many of these virtual events and also in-person events as we come and establish our basis in Africa. And I look forward to collaborating with everyone on here. And especially, I would like to take a moment to thank the hosting of the hostees of this event. They've done a great job of organizing. It's not something that's very easy, especially with virtual conferences and a large number of attendees. So I think that's about it. And thank you so much again.